Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll. We go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Crunchyroll and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Crunchyroll and then you will update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.